Hello everyone! This is for all the children at home during this COVID-19 pandemic. Join Ace Radio School to continue learning while at home. This is for the nursery, primary, and secondary school children. We will be teaching you literacy, numeracy, and STEM subjects. STEM stands for Science, Technology, Engineering, and Maths. This is an ACE Charity initiative powered by Grundfos Foundation.
This is for nursery and primary school children. Hello listeners, my name is Miss Amaka and I am happy to be back to teach you literacy. You can call me Miss A. I hope you are ready to learn with your books and pencils. Fantastic! This week, we will be learning what sound letter P makes. We will also learn a new part of speech called adjectives. Repeat after me. Adjectives. Good job. Before we start learning what we are to do this week, we will be revising the letter sound K to O. Are you ready? Great. Let's sing. Letter K says K. Letter K says K. Every letter makes a sound. Letter K says K. 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 Kettle. K. K. Kite. Letter L says L. Letter L says L. Every letter makes a sound. Letter L says L. 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 Lion. L. L. Lamp. Letter M says M. Letter M says M. Every letter makes a sound. Letter M says M. 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 Monkey. M. M. Man. Letter N says N. Letter N says N. Every letter makes a sound. Letter N says N. 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 Net. N. N. Neck. Letter O says O. Letter O says O. Every letter makes a sound. Letter O says O. 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 Octopus. O. O. Orange. Amazing! Now, I will be introducing the letter sound P. The letter P sound P. To make the sound P, place your index finger, that is, the finger close to your thumb, on your mouth and act like you want to blow out a fire on a candle. What sound did you make? Did you make the P sound? Let's try it again. P, P, P. The sound P starts in words like P, P, puppy, P, P, pink, P, P, pig, P, P, pan, P, P, pail, P, P, pot, and P, P, pie. Can you think of words that start with the sound P? Okay, tell mommy and daddy some of the words you can remember. Good job, everyone. Now, let us learn about adjectives. Have you heard of the word adjective? Adjectives are words that describe a noun. That is, it gives more information and makes it sound more interesting. Adjectives that describe can be words like beautiful, ugly, tall, short, circle, little, red, and brown. Let us look at an example. Aisha is beautiful. Aisha is a noun in the sentence. Beautiful is a word that describes the noun Aisha. So, beautiful is an adjective. Another example is, the car is mine. The noun in the sentence is the car. The word red is describing the color of the car. So, red is an adjective. Okay, let me give you an exercise. My teacher is tall. Can you tell me the adjective? Is it teacher? No. Teacher is the noun. What word describes the noun teacher? Can you tell me? Did you say tall? Good job! Tall is the word that describes teacher. Therefore, tall is an adjective. Adjectives also could be numbers. Example, I have 3 dresses. The noun in the sentence is dresses. 3 is describing how many dresses I have. So, 3 is an adjective. Another example is, Muhammad has 12 sisters. The number 12 is describing how many sisters Muhammad has. So, 12 is an adjective. Excellent! Okay, listeners, we have come to the end of today's class. It's time for your homework. I will ask you 2 questions. Send your answer as a text message indicating your name, gender, state you live in, class, and subject to 070 36 30 3182. We'll call it again. 070 36 30 3182. Now, listen carefully to the questions. Are you ready? Here it goes. Question number 1. Mention 2 words that start with the P sound. Question number 2. Mention 2 examples of adjectives you know. Thank you for learning with me today. Join me for another fun literacy lesson next week. Bye.
This is an ACE Charity initiative powered by Grundfos Foundation.
This session is for nursery and primary school children. Hello, listeners. I'm your ACE Radio School Numeracy teacher. My name is Kola Mobo, and you can call me Miss S. I want to say a Happy New Year to everyone. Welcome back to our radio program. I missed you. Thank you for tuning in. Today, we'll be exploring the topic numbers greater than, less than, and equal to. We will define the word compare. We will identify the symbol for greater than, less than, and equal to. Now, before we begin, let me find out. Do you have your book and pencil? If you have them, that's awesome. If you do not have them, quickly get your book and pencil. Quick, I am waiting for you. You have 10 seconds. Good to have you back. Let's start. Can you tell me the meaning of the word compare?
I think compare means to look at 2 things to know which is bigger or smaller.
Brilliant effort. Compare means to find out the similarities or differences between two or more things. That is, checking out how one thing looks the same or different from the other. In our today's topic, compare means to see if one number is the same as, smaller than, or bigger than. Greater than means bigger. Less than means smaller. And equal to means the same. I will repeat this. Greater than means bigger. Less than means smaller. Equal to means the same. In math, when you want to write greater than, less than, or equal to, you use symbols.
Miss S, what are symbols?
Good question. Symbols are things that are used to stand for or represent something. In this case, symbols are used to compare numbers by size. That means we have symbols that represent greater than, less than, and equal to. Don't worry, I will teach you how to recognize these symbols. First, we will describe the symbol for greater than. It means that one thing or amount of value is bigger than another one. For example, 20 is greater than 10. Another example, 5 bottles are greater than 2 bottles. To describe the greater than sign, I will use the right hand. Let us make the greater than symbol using our right hand. Are you ready? It is easy peasy. Let's go. First, curve your right hand from your elbow. Is your right hand curved? Make sure it is your right hand and not your left hand. Great! Now, look at the shape of the curve. Can you see the V shape facing the left? The V shape facing the left is called the greater than sign. I want you to draw the greater than sign in your book. Are you done? Good job! Next, we will learn how to form the symbol for less than. The less than sign is used when one thing is smaller than another thing. For example, 10 bottles are less than 20 bottles. The less than sign faces the right hand side. Now, let us make the sign using our left hand. Remember, for less than, we use our left hand. Are you ready? Curve your left hand from the elbow. Look at the shape of the curve. You will notice that it looks like a V shape facing the right. That is the less than sign. Can you draw the shape of the less than sign in your book? Great job! Can you remember the last symbol we should learn about? It is the equal to sign. It is time to look at the equal to sign. The equal sign is used to compare objects or things with the same quantity. The symbol for equal to is 2 dashes. That is a short line and another short line under the first short line. Are you wondering how we can make the sign with our hands? Let us try it out. First, curve your left hand from the elbow. Then curve the right hand over on top of the curved left hand. Look at the shape. What do you see? You have 2 dashes and that is the sign for equal to. Now, write the equal to sign on your book. Great job, everyone. We have come to the end of today's lesson. But before we go, let me give you this homework. Are you ready? Before we start, grab your phone. Go to your text message and type your name. Have you done that? Now type your gender. Tell us if you're a boy or a girl. Tell us what state in Nigeria you're in now. Are you in Borno, Kano, Abuja? Which state are you right now? Type them in. Now the questions. Choose true or false. Question 1. Greater than means bigger than. True or false? Question 1 again. Greater than means bigger than. True or false? Question 2. When two numbers are the same, we use the equal sign, true or false. Question 2 again. When two numbers are the same, we use the equal sign, true or false. Now, send your answers to 070-363-03182. The number again is 070-363-03182. Press send. Do it now. Today, we define the word compare. We identify the symbol for greater than, less than, and equal to. Until next time, keep learning. Remember to bring your book and pencil to the next class. Bye, listeners.
Hello, everyone. This is for all the children at home during this COVID-19 pandemic. Join Ace Radio School to continue learning while at home. This is for the nursery, primary, and secondary school children. We will be teaching you literacy, numeracy, and STEM subjects. STEM stands for science, technology, engineering, and maths. This is an ACE Charity initiative powered by Grundfos Foundation.
This session is for primary school children. Hello, listeners. I am your Ace Radio School Science teacher. My name is Numeracy Sanusi, but you can call me Mr. D. I hope you all had a great holiday. Welcome to today's science class on Ace Radio School. Today, we will be learning about respiration. We will also be learning about the nostrils. But before we begin, let's sing a song about the respiratory system. You can sing with me after my first try. These are the parts of our bodies that help us breathe. These are the parts of our bodies that help us live. They are the nose, lungs, the throat and windpipe. They are the nose, the lungs, the throat and windpipe. Can you sing with me? All right. These are the parts of our bodies that help us breathe. These are the parts of our bodies that help us live. They are the nose, the lungs, the throat and windpipe. They are the nose, the lungs, the throat and windpipe. All right. Now, let's learn about the respiratory system. Can you do a favor and take a deep breath for me? Did you breathe in and out? Let's do it again. Breathe in, breathe out. Awesome. What we just did was practice respiration. Big word, right? I will say it again. Respiration. R-E-S-P-I-R-A-T-I-O-N. Respiration. Respiration is the process of breathing. All living things breathe, including plants. This is because we need breath to live. When we breathe in oxygen. I will say it again. Oxygen. O-X-Y-G-E-N. And when we breathe out carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. C-A-R-B-O-N-D-I-O-X-I-D-E. So we breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. Children, do you know how many times we breathe each day? Did you say 100 times? No. Did you say 1,000 times? No. We breathe 20,000 times each day. Amazing, right? Like we learned in our previous lessons, we need to eat food to give our body energy. But food is not enough. We also need oxygen to create that energy, and we can only do that through breathing. We get oxygen from the air around us. This is also why it is very important that we stay in a clean environment, because we breathe in the air around us. Let us do a little exercise. Put your hands below your nose Are your hands there? I want you to breathe in again. Now, breathe out. Did you notice that the air passed through your nostrils? Nostrils are the two holes in your nose through which you breathe, smell, and sometimes sneeze. Nostril is spelled N-O-S-T-R-I-L. There are tiny hairs in your nostril that prevent all the dust particles from entering into your body. That is why when you breathe, you should not breathe through your mouth, but through your nose, because the mouth does not contain the hair that prevents dust particles from entering the body. When air enters through the nose, it brings different scents with it. There are tiny nerves in the nose that pick up these scents. They carry information about the scents to the brain. This is how we know when something smells bad or good around us. Blockages or irritation in the nose can make breathing and smelling difficult. I remember the last time I had catarrh. My nose was blocked and it was difficult for me to breathe and smell. Has that happened to you too? Colds, allergies, infections, and pollutants in the air are some of the things that can cause these problems. Injuries to the nose can also cause breathing problems. All right, we have come to the end of today's class. Today, we learned about the respiratory system. We learned that when we breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. We also learned about the nostrils and how they help us breathe. I hope you enjoyed learning more about the respiratory system. That was fantastic. But before we go, I'd like to give you some homework. I'll ask 3 questions and you have to send your answers as a text message to this number: 070 363 03182. Don't forget to type your name, gender, which is male or female, class, the state you currently live in, and subject, which is science. Have you done that? Okay, here are the questions. Question 1. When we breathe out, where does it pass through? When we breathe out, where does it pass through? A. Mouth. B. Nostrils. C. Ear. Question 2. Which of these is taken in when we breathe? Which of these is taken in when we breathe? A. Oxygen. B. Carbon dioxide. C. Nitrogen. Which of these is taken in when we breathe? A. Oxygen. B. Carbon dioxide. C. Nitrogen. Remember to send your answers to 070 363 03182. We broadcast primary episodes on Mondays at 11 a.m., secondary episodes on Tuesdays at 11 a.m., and repeat episodes on Wednesdays at 11 a.m. Until I come your way next time, stay safe, wash your hands regularly, and remember, keep learning. Bye, listeners.
Hello, everyone. This is for all the children at home during this COVID-19 pandemic. Join Ace Radio School to continue learning while at home. This is for the nursery, primary, and secondary school children. We will be teaching you literacy, numeracy, and STEM subjects. STEM stands for Science, Technology, Engineering, and Maths. This is an ACE Charity initiative powered by Grundfos Foundation.